In the previous video, we learned what custom fields are, how to create them within a project, and how to use them in your project grid. Now, let's explore how to create custom fields at the account level so you can reuse them across multiple projects. To create a new account level field, first, go to the Account Settings. Then, select the Custom Fields tab. If any custom fields already exist within your account, you will see them in the table below. From here, you can also edit them by clicking the three dots icon. To create a new field, click on the Create button. In the pop-up window, enter a title and select field type from the 9 available options. We're going to create a Labels field and title it IT Departments. Now, let's enter its values. For example, Development, Marketing, SEO, and Research. Here, you can also adjust colors related to the values. Finally, in the drop-down below, you might want to select the project where you want to add the custom field. Once you click Save, it becomes available at the account level and is automatically added to the selected project. Let's go to one of them and see how you can use the custom field within it. You can either click on the plus icon in the grid or directly on the Custom Fields button. Here, you may see the custom fields already added to this project or add them from the global library of existing fields. Great! Now you know how to work with custom fields at the account level. Check the description below for useful resources, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments.